Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Result Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a beautiful heart shape using Illustrator. So let's begin. First thing, you have to go to your toolbar and select your rectangular shape. After you select your rectangular shape, you have to come to the workspace and draw a perfect rectangle shape. All you have to do is to press down Ctrl key and you just press down Shift key, and you're going to have a perfect rectangle. So you can drag to adjust it. Okay, so the next thing you have to do here is to go to your selection tools. So let me adjust it more. So when you get to your selection tools, the next thing you have to do is to go to your direct selection tools. So you have to select this node and press Shift key and select this node. Then you have to drag inward, then to maintain curve at the top. Okay, next thing you have to do here is to make sure you rotate this shape into 45 degrees. So for you to do that, you have to come to the to the top of the shape here and rotate, and make sure it's flipped to 45 degrees. Okay, next step you have to take is to make a duplicate of this. For you to do that, you have to come to the home tab here, click on edit, copy, and go back to edit again and paste in place. So the duplicate one is where you are going to rotate. Then you have to right click again, go to reflect, transform, reflect. From reflect, you are going to have stuff like this. Then you can just click on OK. Right. So the next thing you have to do is to select everything. So having selected everything, you can come to the home tab here, toolbar here, select your show builder tool and press Alt on your keyboard and cut this place. Then Alt on your keyboard and cut this place. Oh, sorry, we have to unfill it. So unfill, then hotkey on your keyboard and delete. Hotkey on your keyboard and delete. Boom. So we can connect everything together this way, and we can easily fill it with color. Okay, so we can select our selection tools now, and we make sure that we delete this shape, and then we look for some other things unnecessary if we have. So this is how you can make a beautiful art shape in Illustrator in a simple tutorial. I hope you guys find fun for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this in Illustrator. And you can also check on my channel for tutorial on Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.